Welcome to Tech Orbit International. Today, we are showing you how to safely remove and install a CPU. To start, gently press down on the retention lever and slide it out to unlock the socket. Lift the load plate carefully. Pick up the CPU by its edges, making sure never to touch the pins or the underside. Lift it straight up and out. For the installation, locate the small gold triangle on the corner of your CPU. Align it with the matching triangle on the motherboard socket. Carefully drop the CPU into place without using any pressure. It should sit perfectly flat. Once seated, lower the load plate and secure the lever back into its locking position. That is it. You are now ready for thermal paste in your cooler. Subscribe to Tech Orbit International for more professional tech tips.